A tragic accident at Nelson Mandela Drive, Vigie, Castries on Sunday claimed a life and left another crash victim in critical condition at the hospital. Fire officers were well equipped to handle the situation, using their training and life-saving interventions to extricate the victims from the vehicle. The deceased has been identified as 39-year-old Sammy Manuel of Hospital Road, Castries.
On Sunday, 2nd March 2025 at 9:15 p.m., the St. Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision involving a motor vehicle colliding into a tree at Vigie. On arrival at the scene, 2 adult males were found to be involved in the incident. One male was found with his body partially out of the vehicle, whilst the other had to be extricated. They were assessed with one individual. Upon assessment, presented negative vitals. They were both treated with life-saving interventions performed, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
2 men are also nursing injuries after their vehicle collided in Binfield, Viewfort on Sunday. One of the victims suffered a severe head wound.
On Sunday, 2nd March 2025 at 5:38 p.m., the St. Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision involving a motorcycle at Binfield, Viewfort. On arrival at the scene, an adult male was found laying on the ground. An assessment revealed an avulsion to his head with multiple injuries sustained about the body. He was transferred into the ambulance where he was treated, then transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
While motor vehicular incidents dominated the St. Lucia Fire Service emergency calls over the weekend, fire officers also provided assistance to extinguish a blaze in La Clery on Friday.
On Friday, February 28, 2025 at 8:53 p.m., the St. Lucia Fire Service responded to a structural fire at La Clery. On arrival at the scene, the top floor of a 2-story concrete and wooden structure was seen emitting thick smoke with visible flames from the ground floor. The fire was extinguished with all occupants of the building accounted for. The scene was handed over to officers attached to the Criminal Investigations Department.
The appeals for motorists to exercise due caution on the roads seem to fall on deaf ears as carnage continues unabated on the island's highways. Officials are cracking down on traffic violations and will be launching a road safety initiative geared toward changing attitudes and minimizing loss of life and injury. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.